Okay, guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this plantain and beans akara. Trust me, you are going to love this recipe. So if you're interested on this video, watch to the end and also help me to share, okay? So I already washed my beans. I added it on the blender. I went in with plantain and I added little water on it. I cover and I blend it very smooth. This recipe is a mind-blowing. Try it, you will definitely love it. So I blend the plantain and beans very smooth. Once I'm done blending it, next I'm going to transfer it into my bowl and then I'm going to be adding some seasoning on it. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it, okay, so that it get to more people. Next, I added Maggi, which is totally optional, and then I'm going to go in with salt, and I also added pepper and onions on it. So once I add them together, I'm going to mix it up nicely. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Trust me, you will definitely love it. So I mix up the ingredients until it goes into the beans very well. And then next I am going to test for salt. At this point, my oil is already placed on the stove and it is ready for me to start putting the beans into it just like this. Once your oil is heated, reduce the heat of the stove because you don't want the akara to get burnt. You want it to cook slowly. So I fry it until it is golden brown. So when the other side is brown, I'm going to use my fork to turn it to the other side. And then I'll fry it until the other side as well is golden brown. Guys, take a look at this. Does this right here look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. Fry it until it is golden brown like this. And then that is it. Your plantain and beans akara is ready. Take a look at this. What you need now is pap or bread. You are good to go. I'm just going to take it off the oil and then I add the leftover one into the oil. And then that is it. If you are the type that love to eat akara and you love to make your own food from the comfort of your own home, this recipe is a must try. Try it and come back and drop your comments in the comment section. Take a look at this, guys. It really came out nice. And guess what? It tastes amazing. When I tasted it, I was like, oh my goodness, this recipe is a must try. Best way to enjoy akara is with bread. Like, I love akara and bread. I'm not ending this video without trying it out for you guys to see. It really tastes nice. Oh my goodness. Now tell me, after watching this video to this point, does this recipe right here look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.